Welcome back everybody, and to all the new faces joining, welcome. I'm Barry Mountford. If you like photography, tutorials, behind the scenes and reviews, consider subscribing to the channel and flicking the notification bell so you can see when those videos are posted. Now, have you ever wanted to create those 360-degree rotations for clients and for your websites? Well, stick around, I'm going to show you exactly how. Before we get into shooting these products, let's talk about the gear that we're going to be using for this video. Now we're going to be using the Orbit600 from PiXAPRO, a 60cm motorized white turntable enabling you to produce 360-degree rotatable images with a super smooth rotation. Can rotate at 3 different speeds. It also has a payload of up to 150 kilograms, which is ideal for larger products and even live models. So for the lighting, I'm going to be using the GLOWPAD 350D and the RICO240 ring light. Two great versatile lights for both video and photography. I have created another video which I'll pop a link to up here where I go a bit more in depth about these lights and I go through a product shoot using these lights. Now you can use these in different combinations. You can use the ring light by itself or you can use the glow pads by themselves, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to be combining all three so you can see all of those in action. So my goal for this setup is to create a nice clean white high key look for the product, a nice white background that the product is going to be floating in, almost floating in mid-air. Now to achieve that, we're going to light the background separately with the glow pads, and I'm going to be using the ring light to light the product. Now doing this is going to allow me to achieve that nice high key white background and also cut down the processing time after we've finished shooting. Now we have our light set up, we need to set up our camera to shoot in intervals. Now if your camera does not have a built-in intervalometer, you can actually buy these gadgets which are quite inexpensive, which hook up to your camera, and the whole process is the same. So we're going to set the intervals in the camera to 2 seconds between shots, and we'll tell the camera to take 36 shots. Now this is going to give us enough images to create that 360-degree rotation of the image as the turntable spins. So one thing you must remember is to place your product directly in the center of the table. There is a little mark, if you feel with your finger you will be able to find it, so just be sure that your product is sitting in the center of the table for the best result. So now we have all of the images shot. Let's load them into the computer and do any little final bits of touching up in the post-processing stage before we upload them to a third-party website called Serve. Now Serve is a great website where you can upload all the images to, and it's going to create the 360-degree rotation for you. Simple and easy. Now what you need to do is head over to serve.com. Links will all be in the description below if you want to check those out. Once there, you just need to register and create an account. Don't worry, it is free. Then once you've registered, create a folder, name it accordingly, and then upload all the images we've just took. Now Serve will automatically convert those images into the 360-degree rotation, and it'll give you the option to convert it to a video. And it'll also give you the code so you can embed them into your website. So there you go, a nice straightforward way to create those 360-degree rotation interactive images for your website and for clients. It really is pretty straightforward. Links to all the gear used will be in the description below if you want to head down and check those out. I hope you've enjoyed this video, folks. I hope you found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and flick that notification bell so you can see more videos like this down the line. And I will see you folks in the next one. See you then.